I welcome all the customers, friends, and the dignitaries. Sri Sujana Chaudhary garu, Sri KV Reddy garu, Sri Jallan garu.
Andhra Bank CMD CVR Rajendran on Saturday
Landlord of
inaugurated
the
the new
premises to
premises of
present about
Specialized Corporate Finance branch at Raj Bhavan Road. The branch features
request Mr.
Navshakti Banking,
Ramakrishna.
which consists of 24/7 banking, passbook printer, check depositing machine, internet kiosks, bulk note
It is
acceptor,
my
and
pleasure
call
to
center
present you for this
connectivity. The branch is
inaugural
techno
function.
savvy and will
Today, for
speedily
mortgages,
process credit
5,600
limits of
crores
customers,
and non-funded
besides strengthening
advances
retail
of 2 to
portfolio
7
of
The
days.
very
high-end housing
landmark
loans and vehicle
layout of
loans.
the branch
The
in the
branch also caters to foreign
Inaugural
exchange
function.
needs of the
The
clientele.
branch
It's a privilege to have a branch on this Rajbhavan Road today. This branch is exclusively dedicated to the large value customers. That means a customer enjoying more than 100 crores of credit limit only can bank with this branch. This branch is having almost 8,000 crores of lending so far, and we have another 3,000 crores of lending in the pipeline. So shortly this branch will become 11,000 crores lending branch. And deposit is not a main focus in the branch. We have about 500 crores of deposits. The previous branch was functioning from a very congested location, that too from a third floor. So we have decided to shift it to this ground floor, comparatively a non-peak traffic area in the Rajbhavan Road. We have sufficient parking in this building. Almost 8 cars can be parked, about 20-25 two-wheelers can be parked. And there is sufficient space for the customers and a discussion room also exclusively for the customers for making presentations. Apart from that, the e-lounge here is available not only for this branch customer, but also for the customers of all the branches. Passbook printer, the ATM services, and the check deposit machine and the bulk cash deposit machine is available in the branch. The customers of all the branches can come and utilize these facilities. ATM can be used by any customer of any bank having an ATM card also. One new facility which is introduced in this body is a video interaction. If you want to have any clarification on any of the issues, you can take the phone and talk on the video phone to the call center. Call center people will respond to your calls and give you directions on any of the loan products or the prices of gold or the rate of interest or any other clarification which requires. You can interact with the person as if you are discussing with them in person. Of course, a small screen is available now. We're trying to expand it to a bigger TV screen shortly. This will create a feeling that 24 hours a person is available to service you in this branch. This is a new facility introduced for the first time in this branch. As far as the bank is concerned, we are a 2,35,000 crores business bank today. The disturbance in the state has affected the growth to a certain extent during the current year. Our profitability has also come down because of the large number of accounts getting into CDR today.